equipping your venue, backyard, or home with dependable, heavy-duty seating for large gatherings without dealing with flimsy frames or cumbersome setup usually means upgrading to commercial-grade folding furniture. The VINGLI 20-pack white plastic folding chair set redefines bulk event seating by combining high weight capacities, all-weather durability, and an efficient stackable design into a versatile, budget-friendly package. The primary structural advantage centers on its thickened high-density polyethylene (HDP) panels paired with a reinforced powder-coated steel frame. Instead of bending, cracking, or wearing out under heavy use like cheap standard event chairs, each chair features a sturdy metal cross-brace fastener system and an ergonomic back and seat contour capable of supporting up to 350 pounds safely. Performance and day-to-day versatility streamline event management from setup to teardown. The chairs are fully weather-resistant and 100% ready out of the box with zero assembly required. Whether you are hosting a wedding, backyard barbecue, graduation party, community conference, or corporate event, they transition seamlessly between indoor flooring and outdoor lawns. Safety and surface protection are managed by integrated anti-skid rubber feet that prevent sliding and floor scratching, while an upright locking mechanism ensures fast folding, stable vertical stacking, and compact storage. Things to consider before you buy. Because this is a bulk bundle of 20 chairs, you will want to account for adequate storage space in a garage, closet, or shed when they are stacked vertically. Additionally, while the smooth HDP surfaces are exceptionally easy to wipe clean after messy food events, you may want to add custom seat cushions for extended, multi-hour formal seating events. So who is this really for? This bulk folding chair set is an absolute home run for event hosts, party planners, community centers, small businesses, and large families who want a dependable, commercial-grade seating inventory that pays for itself compared to recurring rental costs. If you are only looking for a single luxury accent chair for a permanent home office desk or a plush armchair for lounging, a utility-focused, folding design won't match your interior goals. Is it worth the money? If you value robust 350 pounds capacity per chair, weather-resistant indoor, outdoor flexibility, zero assembly, easy cleanup, and a large 20-pack quantity built to withstand years of heavy gatherings, it is a premier, highly practical investment for hosting.